something else. So we did, and it arrived yesterday. Okay, so we need some speakers for radio editing. So I searched around online and found a pair that was well reviewed. So looking at some of them based on reviews, and so we're just going to do it for the first time today. Tell you all about it. Get that off here. So one multimedia speakers that we can put for video, for voice calls, for music, everything. So this is what they call a multimedia speaker. This box right here. Quite decent breaker actually. Paperwork here, more information. What's the package here? See that? Eating something there. So it comes with a what do they call this? Well, it's a headphone jack. I forget the millimeter count, but I think it's like not a 1/4 inch, probably an 1/8 inch jack. is the power to left. This is left speaker to the very end. Okay, so this is the right speaker. So this is on this side or on this side. This is powered in. There. From to left speaker. Auxiliary in. And this is from computer. So if you want to line it directly into your computer, you will use the same cable to direct it into your computer or into a device like stereo or an phone, anything like that. But for now, we're just using computer. Plug this in somewhere. Alright, I'm gonna go search for a plug. Got everything plugged in, and we're just gonna do a test random YouTube video here, just Katy Perry here. Let's see how it sounds. There's no real tone adjustment, it's just the volume, so it's, whatever it sounds like is the way it's gonna sound. So here goes. Yeah, they sound pretty good to me. They sound plenty loud. You just want to, I'm sure we'll have to just test it out in a couple of different mediums, like, you know, music, movies, and voice calls, which are the three reasons we wanted speakers like this. So, music videos sound pretty good. I'm sure, you know, they have different volume, like EQ settings for each of those types of things. So let's try Christopher Nolan. They're decent, definitely worth $109. You know, it's a good brand. It serves its purpose. They sounded good. Bose. It's a Bose Companion 2 Series 3 multimedia speaker. We got them at Best Buy. They have a pretty sleek looking, plenty loud for what we want to use them for. So yeah, good for us. But you know, you gotta get what really suits your purposes. But I think if you're looking for a general multimedia speaker, I think you could do worse than these. These are pretty good. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and tell us how much you like us. Thanks for watching.
Stop.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never